Hello friends, welcome to the Infotech YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to add a custom field in the user form while add and edit of any user. I will show you in the both way like using a advanced custom field plugin and without using any plugin like with a custom PHP code. First I will show you with custom advanced custom field plugin. For this you need to install advanced custom field plugin which I have already installed in my system. You can download this with advanced custom field site. I'm showing you the link of this plugin. This is the advanced custom field plugin link and I will put this in the description also, the below of video. As you saw that it is already installed. When I create a user, add new, I want to make any user that user is external or not. Means the user is from our organization or the user is not from our organization. So I want to add a field here. So how can we do this? I'm showing you step by step how can we do this. First of all, when you install the custom field plugin, one menu will be created here left side of the admin panel. Click the custom field and add new in the side of field groups. Here write the name of the field group like is external user. Now add a field. Field label is external user. Field name is automatically detected is external user. I want to make the field type as a checkbox. Here I don't want to put any instruction. It is optional. If you want to make the field required, then tick the yes or no. Choices. Here example given like you can see here red. This is a name of the field and this is the value of the field. Like I want to put the checkbox value as 1 and the name of the field is age. I want to write anything in the beside of checkbox like tick if user is external. Default value you can give anything. I will show you later how can we give a default value and what is the benefit of given default value. Now here location. I want to add a field in the user form. So this field group, if go to the user section of and select user form and here is equal to add edit. I want the field appear in both the forms like add and edit. So I am here selecting add and edit. The field is active. Now say publish this field, custom field. Custom field is saved. Now go to the add user section. I'm opening this in another tab. I'm closing this ACF plugin link tab. Here you can see the checkbox comes in the user add form and here is the name. Tick if user is external. Suppose I create a new user like username the Infotech email the info tag at gmail.com. First name, anything you can write, info tag, info, and last name tag. Password, anything you can give, like the info tag. Here I will also give the info tag. Role, anything you can choose. Currently I am choosing the editor, and I am tick in the external user. As you know, this is a custom field. Now I am adding this user. Here you can see the info tag user is created. When I edit it, it is already checked. Tick if user is external. I am showing you in the database also where it is stored. This custom field value is always stored in a user meta table. User meta. I'm ordering it by descending with primary key, and you can see here is external user, and the value is it stores in a serialized form. Okay, when I uncheck it and update the user, you can see it is removed, and let's see what happened in the database. You can see here the serialized data is removed here from the database also. Always keep in mind in the custom field is external user. Whenever you keep a key value pair with column, put here space. If you don't put the space, then it will take whole as a value. Okay, you can see that how can we add a custom field with in a user form using advanced custom field plugin. I have shown you through both the way, like add and edit. As you can see, I have created the info tag. In the edit form also I have shown you. Now I am showing you the default value. If I put the default value as 1 and update this custom field. Now go to the add user section, add new. You can see here it is already checked because I have put the default value as 1. So when the page loads, the value is set to 1 and it is checked. That's all for this custom field with using advanced custom field plugin. Now I will show you how can we do this with coding custom PHP. In the functions.php of theme folder. First I am tracing this custom field. I am deleting this custom field here from here. So in the add user form, the field will be disappear. Now first open the functions.php of theme folder. Here is my theme 2015 and this is a function.php. I'm opening this file. I've already put the code with command for adding a custom user meta field. I'm on command this and I will explain you one line by line how can we do this. I have as you can see here, I have created a function is external user and calling this with hook, WordPress hook, like add action method. So user profile, edit user profile, user new form. This action works with the only user who is self editing, so user profile. And edit user profile, when you edit any user, this time this hook is called. And when you click on add new, then this action is called. Here is the field I with input type check. I have put the name of external field as is external user here in the name of input type checkbox with value 1. And here each external hook is default parameter with user detail. Here is the user ID. I am fetching the each external user from meta. If that is the data is equal to 1, it means it is checked, else not. Again, I am showing you calling the 3 action hooks with personal options update, edit user profile update, user register with user update user external. This is a user update user external callback function with this hook to update the each external user field in the database. So I am setting the value. If column first setting the column list value as 0, if $_post is external is set, it means the user has checked on this checkbox. So I am changing the value to 1 and call inbuilt function of WordPress as update user meta. I am putting here the user ID, which row I have to update, which user I have to update, with the checkbox field name is external user and the value column list value, which I am getting it from there here. Now I click on the add new of user, and you can see that is external user custom field comes here from the custom PHP code which I have written in the function.php of the theme folder. Now I am going to the user list and editing the infotech user. It is unchecked because I have unchecked. Still I have not checked it. Now I am checking this update user, and you can see you check if the user is external, and I am showing you in the database is external. It is custom is created with the custom field. Is you can see here is external use meta value 1 stored in the user meta table. That's all. How can we add a custom field in the user form in a both way, with plugin and without plugin? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.